Hi, it's Paul here from the Green Life Soil Company, and today we're talking about woody mulches. Woody mulches are really useful in holding moisture in the soil and preventing weeds from coming up between your shrubs. And there's a huge range to choose from. There's these really heavy shredded eucalypt type mulch, really useful in very windy areas. Your jarrah chips that have an aesthetic appeal because of their colour. A very highly shredded, dark looking mulch. And then your recycled tree prunings, very useful as well. They're all just as effective as each other, especially the coarse mulches. And as they break down in the winter rains, they create compost and encourage microbial life. So very useful.